chicken in the presence of my chicken.
Perfect hair.
Huh?
I'm documenting.
Documenting. That camera.
Why?
You cartwheel with him.
Yeah, there you go. Go ahead.
Does he remember?
There's a picture of him.
That's where he was. Wasn't it? Is this wide enough for you?
All the damage has been done. The water's all spilled.
That is awesome! Yeah, I saw you guys go the other way. That's amazing.
It's fun.
He looks almost fake.
Yeah, he does, yeah.
Oh my god.
He's real.
Yeah.
When he opens his mouth.
I see him moving. That is so cool.
Those are cute.
That's a smart way to do that.
Yeah.
I think because he ate too much. All right, you go first.
So you think he's like...
He's in a food coma.
What are you doing?
Just sitting here. I don't know,
This
imagine.
is where you guys tricked me that we were going when we got Ember. You
I
said that
know.
you needed something from Best
Oh,
Buy.
Yeah.
And I didn't want to come because I don't know.
You didn't feel good or something, I thought.
Yeah.
I thought you were like sick.
That you remember.
It sounds like she's leaning towards the bigger one.
I feel like I'll be on Seabird. So we're taking him to Joanne,
Okay.
right?
Yep.
For the last time. Because it's closing forever. So he's going to be the last bird ever to be in Joanne.
Huh.
Right?
Maybe the first bird to be in Joanne.
So he's the first and he's the last bird to be in Joanne. Only 20% off still.
Mm-hmm.
That's still not a good price.
One seems to have a lot more than ours does.
It was always so gross in Joanne.
Yeah. In there.
It's a
Those are
thing.
cute.
You're supposed to get it in remembrance of Joanne if you like it.
I'm gonna go.
Is he okay?
He's fine. You just crushed him.
Is he okay? I'm so sorry I crushed you.
Crushed you, bird.
Look, he's all wet now on the bottom. Look, it's growing. Glittering.
You're really swinging him around.
Well, I get
Anything. He's looking at all the lights.
Is he? Is he angry?
Yeah, he's not liking the lights.
What is he doing?
He's just looking at them all. You get mad when I don't. Rude.
He's turning his back to the camera anyway.
Yeah. You need to sashay. He's shaking. Sashay. Ugh.
That shade of snot bubble down my
I think I got some
Lovely.
back spray from that one.
What are you gonna get to?